Audio Review. Building Laws. Code Standards Part 9. Qualifications of Building Official. 1. A Filipino citizen and good moral character. 2. Duly registered architect or civil engineer. 3. Member of accredited organization of not less than 2 years. 4. At least 5 years diversified experience in building design and construction. Qualifications of Building Official. 1. A Filipino citizen and good moral character. 2. Duly registered architect or civil engineer. 3. Member of accredited organization of not less than 2 years. 4. At least 5 years diversified experience in building design and construction. Exemptions of building permit. 1. Public buildings. 2. Traditional indigenous family, dwellings made of native materials, and cost doesn't exceed 15,000 pesos. Exemptions of building permit. 1. Public buildings. 2. Traditional indigenous family, dwellings made of native materials, and cost doesn't exceed 15,000 pesos. Validity of building permits. Null and void, not commenced in a period of 1 year or abandoned work for 120 days. Validity of building permits. Null and void, not commenced in a period of 1 year or abandoned work for 120 days. PD 1096, National Building Code. PD 1096, National Building Code. Maximum height of a combustible stand is 2.7 meters. Maximum height of a combustible stand is 2.7 meters. Maximum line of travel to an exit of an aisle is 45 meters. Maximum line of travel to an exit of an aisle is 45 meters. Maximum slope of an aisle is 1:8. Maximum slope of an aisle is 1:8. Minimum width of any seat is 0.45 meters. Minimum width of any seat is 0.45 meters. Minimum width of an exit corridor is 1.1 meters. Minimum width of an exit corridor is 1.1 meters. Minimum number of exit for floors above the first story having an occupant load of more than 10 is 2. Minimum number of exit for floors above the first story having an occupant load of more than 10 is 2. Number of exit for occupant load of 599 to 999 is 3. Number of exit for occupant load of 599 to 999 is 3. Minimum downward projection of a draft curtain is 0.3 meters. Minimum downward projection of a draft curtain is 0.3 meters. Maximum floor area for an attic made of combustible materials is 250 square meters. Maximum floor area for an attic made of combustible materials is 250 square meters. Maximum floor area for an attic made of incombustible materials is 750 square meters. Maximum floor area for an attic made of incombustible materials is 750 square meters. Maximum center-to-center spacing of a draft curtain sprinkler is 1.8 meters. Maximum center-to-center spacing of a draft curtain sprinkler is 1.8 meters. Minimum height of a Siamese connection above grade is 300 millimeters. Minimum height of a Siamese connection above grade is 300 millimeters. Standard maximum distance of a standpipe from an opening in a stairway is 300 mm. Standard maximum distance of a standpipe from an opening in a stairway is 300 mm. Minimum wall thickness of a fireplace is 200 mm. Minimum wall thickness of a fireplace is 200 mm. Minimum number of exit for a projection room is 2. Minimum number of exit for a projection room is 2. Minimum extended portion of a chimney above the roof is 600 mm. Minimum extended portion of a chimney above the roof is 600 mm. Minimum thickness of glass used for floors is 12.5 mm. Minimum thickness of glass used for floors is 12.5 mm. Maximum rise of one row of seat to the next is 400 mm. Maximum rise of one row of seat to the next is 400 mm. Minimum number of exit for stands within a building serving an occupant load of 300 is 3. Minimum number of exit for stands within a building serving an occupant load of 300 is 3. Minimum spacing for seats without backrests measured from back to back is 0.6 meters. Minimum spacing for seats without backrests measured from back to back is 0.6 meters. Thank you for watching and listening.